Hi viewers, we will continue our discussion about how to find perimeter and area of circle, semicircle, quarter or quadrant of a circle. So first of all, we will solve question number one. The perimeter and area of each of the following shapes give or giving answer to three significant figure. So if we check carefully the question number one, this one, we have three quadrant means the fourth part of a circle. So each quadrant we use this formula to find perimeter pi r over 2. For this side pi r over 2. Here we have already 7. So this is pi r over 2, and lastly this one is r, which is 7. So for perimeter we would say that pi r over 2 plus pi r over 2. There are 3 pi r over 2, yes. Over plus 7 plus 7 means 14. So basically it comes 3 times, means 3 pi r. R is 7 over 2 plus 14. After this, we will check in calculator. 7 multiplied by 3, 21 multiply 5 over 2 plus 14. We will get the answer. So if we check 21 multiply pi, that gives me 65.9 divided by 2. It is equal 32.9 plus 14. The last answer is 46.986. But remember that we are looking three significant figure. So I would say, or I will round off 9. So it is 47.0 centimeter. This is the first answer. And how to find the area of the same shape? We have three quadrant of a circle. So each quadrant equal pi r square over 4. The area or formula of area of quadrant is pi r square over 4, because this is fourth part. So for question number one, if you check here for area purpose, so we would say there are three quadrants, means 3 multiply pi r square over 4. So this will work for us. And we know the value of r, which is 7 squared, means next step 3 pi 47 multiplied by 7, 49 over 4. And if we check in calculator, it gives us 3 multiply pi multiply 49 comes what? Divide by 4. It is equal 115.45. So if we check three significant figures, so 115 centimeters square. Hope so it is clear. Now we try question number 6, and in this question we have this part, the outer part, because in perimeter we add all the outer part lengths pi r. This one is also pi r, this one is also pi r, and this side we know which we called also pi r, but in each case we have to identify what is r. So the total diameter or total length is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. So half of 12 is 6. So for this I will use 6, r equals 6. And in this case, if you check in the middle, it has full length 4, so half is 2, means over r equal to, and same as here r also 2, and in this case r is also 2. So when you try to find perimeter, for perimeter we would say pi r. This one we can say that pi r, and the rest 3 pi r have same radius 2 2 2. So we can say that 3 pi r 1. And now remember the value of pi r, r is 6. And for other three cases, the value of R is 2. And then we can check in calculator. So it gives us what? Pi multiplies 6 comes what? Plus 3 multiply pi multiply 2. So I'm getting 37.699. So as we are looking three significant figures, so round off 9 means 37.7 centimeter. I hope so it is clear. Now we try question number 7, the area of quadrant, and area of quadrant is always equal pi r square over 4, and the area of quadrant means the fourth part of a circle. So if you have a circular shape, then we are looking, this is the center to end, we are looking the fourth part, okay, that is quadrant of a circle. So now for this part, we have a formula pi r square over 4, which is equal given, okay, it is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now they want us what is radius. So next step we can say that pi r square is equal to 8 multiplied by 4, and r square is equal to 8 multiplied by 4, 32 divided by pi. So r square is equal to, we can check in calculator as well. We have 32 divide shift pi. So that gives us 10.19. So we can write 10.19 and do one thing, take the square root of that answer also, because we are looking r only, not r square, okay? So square root of the answer, we will get answer 3.19. So here we can write 3 r is equal to 3.19. And next step, this is r. And after this, they want us the perimeter. So for perimeter, we need this length. If we check carefully, we need this length. R is 3.19. So we can add 3.19 two times, means outer length and the arc length. So remember that for this one, we know the formula, which is pi r over 2. So for perimeter equal pi r over 2 plus 3.19, 3.19. So pi r is 3.19 over 2 plus 3.19 plus 3.19 gives us 6.38. 6.38. And if we check the last, shift pi bracket open 3.19 bracket close comes what? Divide by 2. It gives me 5.01. 5.01 plus 6.38. So last answer is 6.38. It gives me 11.39, so 11.4 centimeter. So we find out perimeter as well as the radius. I hope so it is clear. Next question is 8. A cow is tied by a rope to one corner, as you can see that here, one corner, and of 20-meter square field. So we have area of square, area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, means 20 multiplied by 20, 20 square, which is equal 400. And we are looking the half area, and that half area is equal to the quadrant. Like you can draw one arc like this. So the cow can move inside half the area of the field, means it is equal to the quadrant part, which gives us pi r square over 4 equal the half area of the square, means 1 over 2 20 square, or you can say that 400. So here remember that r I consider as rope length. Okay, how long is the rope? So we will try to find out what is r. So in next part, we can say that pi r square over 4, 400 divided by 2, which is equal pi r square equal 200 and multiply by this 4. And we are looking r. So 200 multiplied by 4 over pi. And that gives us, if we check in the calculator, we have shift first 200 multiply by 4 over shift pi. That gives us 254. And then we have to take square root of this. Yes. So square root of the answer, that gives us 15.95. So if I write 15, that is r. Okay. Next step, r equal 15.95. So for three significant figure, we have to round off 9. That means r is equal to 16, and it is in meter. Yes, 16 meter. This is our required length of that rope. I hope so it is clear. Next, question number 9. We have a new circular coin has just been made, which has a circumference in centimeter. So our circular coin is kind of circle, and we all know that the area of circle is equal pi r square, as well as circumference is 2 pi r. Now they want us the circumference in centimeter, that is numerically the same value as the area in centimeter square. So what radius of the coin? So if they have numerically same values, we can compare pi r square is equal to 2 pi r. So we can cancel pi from both sides. So rest we have r square is equal to 2r, then r square we can cancel with r, then the rest we have r is equal to 2. So for the value of r is equal to 2, we can say that they both are equal. Even we can check also, pi r square means 2 square, that gives us 4 pi, and circumference, which is 2 pi r, so r is 2, which gives us 4 pi. So for the value of r is equal to 2, they both, circumference and the area of circle, are equal in centimeter as well as in centimeter square. I hope so it is clear. Now we will move on arc length, and by using arc length, how to find the perimeter of the given question. So see one question like 4. Here in this question number 4, we have the angle given, which is 290, as well as radius are 9. So we are looking the perimeter of this part. So we need arc length first. So arc length is equal 290 divided by 360 multiply 2 pi r. R is 9. This is r. R is 9. So we can simplify more. This is 29 over 36. Cancel 0 and 0. So 9 multiplied by 2, 18 pi. Or you can check in calculator straight away. So it gives you what? Here 290. No, now we write 29 divided by 36 multiply shift pi r, okay, pi first, no problem, then multiply 18. It gives us 45.55. 45.55, and after this perimeter of the given shape is 45.55 plus 9 plus 9. So we will add in 45.55 plus 18, that gives us 63.55. So we will write 63.55, and it is in centimeter. So we find out the find out the perimeter of this whole shape, means all outer length. This is the arc length we found. What was that? 45, and then plus radius plus radius. So that whole answer is 63.55. Next, we have question number 5 and 6. Both have same concept. They are looking the angle x, and remember that the angle x is we can apply the arc length formula. We know that arc length is equal x over 360 multiplied 2 by r, and remember that r is 5 and arc length is 3. This is the arc length. So 3 equal x, angle we don't know, 360, 2 pi, r is 5, which is equal 360. You can multiply other side because it's in divide position. So we can say that 3 multiplied by 360, 5 2s are 10, pi, x angle we don't know. So x angle equal 3 multiplied by 360 divided by 10 pi. After this, we can check straight away in calculators to find the answer. So our answer is 3. It's better I write like this way. 3 multiply 360 divide 10 multiply pi. Shift, press this button, so you'll get pi. It's 34.38. 30, sorry, 37.38, or if you want to write three significant figure or in normal number like without decimals, so it is 38 degree. I hope so it is clear. So next, question number 8, we will try to find the perimeter of the shape to three significant figure. We need to find two arc lengths, as well as we will add +2 and +2. For bigger arc length, our radius is 4, and for smaller arc length, our radius is 2. So here we have the perimeter formula. Perimeter equal, for arc length, angle is given, which is 110 over 360 multiplied 2 pi r. So for bigger arc length, we have radius 4, and same formula will work for smaller arc length or minor arc length, which has the radius 2, and then you have to add these lengths also as well as, so which are 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Now next step we can check in calculator as well. Either you can simplify 11 over 36 multiply 8 pi. Here again 11 over 36 multiply 4 pi plus 4. So if we check straight away in calculator, it gives us 11 over 36 multiply 8. It's better we use multiply 8 and shift pi. After this we have plus again 11 over 36. So multiply 4, shift pi, and then plus 4. So we are getting 15.5. So our answer is 15.5. 5. It is in 3 significant figure and answer is in centimeter. I hope so it is clear. Our next question. In this question, we have perimeter of the shape, which is 28 meter given, and we are looking the value of r. So remember that for the arc length of major part, we have radius is 2r, whereas for minor arc length, we will use in generally r. And angle is same for both arc lengths. So we can make the form perimeter is equal to 70 over 360 multiplied 2 pi r. So for bigger arc length, we have 2r in general, and plus the arc length of smaller part or minor arc length 70 over 360 2 pi r. It is exactly r. And plus this r and that r we have to add as well, means 2r. So perimeter is given, which is 28. We can replace here 28, and then 2 to the 4, so cancel 0 0. We have 7 over 36 multiply 4 pi, plus we can cancel these two zeros, and we have 7 over 36 multiply 2 pi r, 2 pi r, and plus 2r. So remember that here we have, okay, we can check in calculator as well. And remember that r we have in all the cases, we can take r common. Here we have r 4 pi r. So if I take r common, because we are looking r common, so we have 7 over 36 multiply 4 pi plus 7 over 36 2 pi plus 2. I took the r as common. Okay, now I will check in the calculator what is it. So this value gives me what? Means first thing we have 7 over 36 multiply 4 pi shift pi